In English medium school there are many activities and they teach very properly, and in English medium school if you don't understand anything, so you can ask again, and there are if you want to do anything, so you can do in English medium school, and there is much fear but there is very good education. And in English medium school if you want to take extra class, you can also take extra class. That's why English medium school is better than Hindi medium school. And in Hindi medium school they don't teach very properly, and they only focus on taking fees. And in English medium school they also focus on our communication skill and our competitive exam. That's why English medium school is better than Hindi medium school.
So I am in the favor of Hindi medium school. According to me, Hindi medium school is better than English medium school, because in Hindi medium school we are able to understand everything, whatever this our teacher teaches us. We understand everything. And for the big examination, if we have to crack any big examination, for that firstly we should, if we know Hindi, if we read by Hindi side, so then we can, there is much chances of big that we can pass. And in Hindi medium school there is many type of facility, and there is many type of facility like that we can get good marks, and we can read carefully, and teacher always also teach fantastic. So that's why I'm in the favor of Hindi medium school. But in English medium school they take much fees and they teach, but they do not give proper education.
I'm Zoe in front of you. So it's our debate class, and motion is that Hindi medium versus English medium. So I'm in the favor of Hindi medium because I think that Hindi medium is better than English medium. Because in Hindi medium, in Hindi medium, whatever our teacher teaches us, we can understand it very easily. But in English medium, there's a lack of misunderstanding. Whatever in English medium, whatever their teacher teaches them, so they can't understand very properly. So that's why I'm saying that Hindi medium is better. And if you want to read in Hindi medium, so first of all, Hindi medium teaches us so many things. First would be culture. Hindi connects to us our culture, and second would be tradition. It's our tradition to speak Hindi, and that's why I'm in the favor of Hindi medium. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. And good afternoon, my fellow debaters. Good afternoon. As we all know that about today, it's our debate class, and the motion is that which school is better. So I think English medium school is better because I'm in the favor of English medium school. English is the most spoken language in the world, and that takes you in every corner of the world. And English medium, if you read in English medium school, so you will get opportunity of getting multinational companies job.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. And good afternoon, my fellow debaters. Good afternoon. Well, we all know that today it's our debate class, and the motion is that which medium is better, English medium or Hindi medium? School. According to me, Hindi medium is better than English medium, because in Hindi medium we can take education very easily. And in Hindi medium there is the teacher of Hindi medium, they are very fantastic. Whatever they teach we can understand very easily. And the student of Hindi medium school, they have less burden, and it means they don't have burden. But in English medium school, the student of English medium, they have too much burden. And in Hindi medium schools, the books and the cost of Hindi medium school is very less. But in English medium there is too much charge. And in Hindi medium school we get scholarship, but in English medium school we don't get scholarship. By scholarship we can read very easily, and scholarship is very important for poor student, by which they can read very easily and they can buy books and these all things very easily. That's why I'm in the favor of Hindi medium school.
In Hindi medium we get good mark, and in Hindi medium we have to pay very less fees, but in English medium we have to pay more and much fees.
Which school is good, Hindi medium school is good or English medium? So I am the favor of Hindi medium school. Hindi medium school is better than English medium school, because in Hindi medium school there are very less fees, and we can learn more and many very easily. And in Hindi medium school the teacher are very fantastic. They convince you very good. And if I tell you, so Hindi is our mother tongue, so we should not forget this thing. And as you saying that English medium school is good, so if I tell you, so if we are reading in Hindi medium, so we can learn English basic in Happiness Institute. If I tell you, Happiness Institute teaches very good, and basic English you can learn in English medium. You can learn English. If you are some problem in English, so you can learn very easily to come in Happiness Institute. That's why I am saying that Hindi medium school is good.
As we already know, today it's our debate class, English medium school versus Hindi medium school. So I'm in the favor of English medium school is better than Hindi medium school, because through English medium school, students have proficiency to communicate more confidently, and who read in English medium school, they can successful very soon in their life. In English medium there is high fees, but they provide good knowledge, and there are many facilities, and there are many classes in English medium, and in this time English medium is more famous. That's it.